Hello everyone, my name is Patrick and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear formatting within your Word document. This can be applied to sentences, phrases, paragraphs, or the entire Word document. To get started, I'm going to select the text paragraph that I want to clear the formatting of. I'm going to press Ctrl A, but you can just select the piece of text that you want. Once highlighted, I'm first going to use the Clear Formatting tool, which is this big A at the top with a small pink eraser next to it. Click that once. As you can see, the majority of the formatting issues have disappeared, but as you can also see, it's still capitalized and we've still got some highlighting as well. I'm now going to select the downward arrow and click No Color. Make sure now to re-highlight the text because we now need to get rid of the capitalized letters. We're going to click on this big A and small a at the top called Change Case. Click that once, and then we're going to click on lowercase. But now we need to reintroduce the correct use of capital letters. Select it again, and now we're going to select Sentence Case. And this should now introduce the capital letters after full stops. You can now proceed to format it the way you want, justify, and include spacing that you are happy with. So that's a quick way of clearing formatting within your Word document. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you want more tutorials, you can check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.